as my media tool, I chose to use Google Keep. So on my Google Keep, I have two different labels over here. My first one's Life on a Farm, which is my theme throughout the semester. My other one's an All About Me one, and it talks about my family, my pets, different sports I did throughout high school. So between that one and my Life on a Farm theme, I had my 5 to 8 original notes, and my yellow ones here are about my theme. This one is about the Indiana Department of Education standards, and farm would fall underneath the kindergarten life science standards. There's 3 different standards there. I also have the content connectors over here. The different red notes are anything from farm books to worksheets to various farm ideas. For my farm books, I said that could be used to start individual lessons, and you can use them throughout the day as a point to go back to. And then over here in pink is just an extra farm theme classroom activities. That's anything from games to worksheets and just anything else you can do. Thanks.